In this video, we show how to replace the right air shroud on a PowerEdge R7725XD. Before working inside the system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect the system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. With the cover removed, to remove the right air shroud, disconnect any cables running over the air shroud. In this case, there aren't any, so pull back on this clip and lift it up. To install an air shroud, align it with the system and press down into place. For more information about the PowerEdge R7725XD, visit dell.com/support.